We love coming to Sri Lanka. Obviously, it's a tough time for Sri Lanka at the moment, but the fact that we're able to come over here and hopefully play some good cricket, entertaining cricket, and hopefully excite some people and bring some joy to people is something that we hope to bring. And we're certainly excited to be here. It's always a wonderful tour coming to it. Such a beautiful country and lovely people. It's an amazing experience every time. We were talking about on the drive in that's if you once we get away from the training to game, just bus straight to the ground. And we actually got out, drove to the golf course today, looking around and experiencing a little bit more of the outskirts of Sri Lanka. It's such an amazing place to experience, and we certainly feel very privileged to be a part of a group that can come out into this space and experience such a great part of the land. It's even just looking at the backdrop here, it's simply magnificent. So we're very lucky to be here, and certainly very thankful for these opportunities.